Everybody talking about the trade desk or TTD have a huge reversal after the earnings that we got. We pulled back almost 20%. And after that, guess what? We reverse over 58% in the span of 1 week. So we have to discuss where the price will go because we have a pullback last Friday. Could be a good um, um, chance for entering before another jump. So we're going to confirm if we're going to have another jump or it's too late for entering again. Before we go further, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes only, and we're not financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let me just show you exactly what happened. First of all, let us go on the big picture and see what's going on. For the trade desk, guys, it went down not just yesterday, but the big pullback was at the beginning of 2025. So technically from the 2025 in February until now, it went down in total almost 83%. So this is the drastic change after this kind of the first bad earnings since the reverse split that we did or the split that we have in 2021. So this is change everything once we have this bad earnings. 27 suppressed down on the 8th of May 2025. However, right now we have a good earnings, but the price pulled back anyway. And it's everybody say this is a trick because the market maker want to buy cheap discounted price around those level, around the $20 psychological level. And see what's happened, guys. We have the $20 loading up after the huge dip, and after that, they loading up again on the 4th of March, and then we have the seller. This is just a correction because we're still holding technically over the 2650 that we might test next week if we have a bearish market because the market is pulling back lately a lot. However, the good thing is we still pulling back just 1%. CB Bloom Energy going down 15%, Intel 5%, APLD 10%, Plug 7%. So all the market is going down. However, trading desk is going down just 1.7 or almost 2% down. So there is someone loading up, guys, around this gap. Let me just show you. We have a really good gap as well for trading desk around this level. Yes, sir. We got a really good gap. So the 2677, it is a current support that we should hold the next week. So even if we pull back next week, if we have unusual seller, if we pull back 7%, would be a really good, interesting dip for a reversal. But I doubt that because we already reversed today at the market, after the market opened from this gap to fill around the 28, and we reversed from there, even though the market was red. So technically, we should be down 5%, but we were correcting before the market closed, and we closed the market around 1.71. So this is really good reaction for trading desk. However, for the next week, I'm watching for this current resistance around this level, guys. If we broke it, will be a first sign that we started to reverse, which is around the 29.47. After that, we might have the 32.34 and the 36.57. So I expect another jump of 23% and maybe even 9% for those two levels, 32 and 36. If we broke over the 29.47 and held over it, of course, and we might have a pullback. If we don't, we might have a pullback around 26.77 and then reverse. So as long as we hold the 26.77 and break the 29.47, will be the good for the rest of this week for trading desk because the reversal just happened on the 26th of February. So technically, we are up from there almost 55%, and we technically been trending up for 8 days, almost 50%. So 8 days, guys, 50%. This is kind of madness. As you can see here, trading desk is not like penny stock. So this kind of jumping, it shows us that there is a market maker interested of buying this discounted price for trading desk. Just consider this as like seeing iPhone, the latest iPhone sold like 50% off. Of course, you're gonna see a huge line. Some people kill for that. Some people will sell their cars to buy like 10 iPhone 17 in order to resell it, because it's easy money. The same for trading desk. Everybody buying because it's kind of discount, and that's why the prices jumped almost 50% or over, almost 60% in span of 8 days. So we're gonna continue to update you guys about trading desk and discuss the price action after that on our Discord, because last time we discussed AVGO before the earnings and did a really great job of jumping 10%, and we capitalize on this opportunity. The link comes section below, guys, our Discord and Patreon if you want to join. And of course, we're gonna discuss trading desk and other stocks tomorrow before the market open on our Discord and Patreon. And of course, we're gonna discuss it live on YouTube 30 minutes before the market open. So hit the like, subscribe, and let me know comment section below. Are we gonna have another jump toward the 32, 36, and maybe the 40 or not for trading desk? Let me know comment section below, and see you all back by tomorrow.